How to find random live videos on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can find random live videos on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to find random live videos on Instagram, previously on Instagram we had a feature where we would be able to find the live section without any hassles, but now they've recently removed this. So how do we find random live videos? To find random live videos, we'll just try to go live ourselves. Right now, don't worry, you don't really need to go live. You can just try to go to the live section and just go to the audience tab and then just make this a practice one. So set the audience to practice because we don't want to make it public, and now we can just begin going live. After we've done this, what we can do is I'm going to invite someone, right? So I'll just tap the DMs icon located at the bottom right of the screen here. So let me just go ahead and then tap on it right over here. I'll just tap the next option, just skip this here. I'll tap this little share icon and then I'll just share this with any random people here. So let me just go ahead and select this to any random people, tap the send option. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to end this live. Once we end this live, what you can do is here you'll see all this, but we're going to discard the media. We're going to come to our DMs page. We're going to tap the link that we just sent that says watch live video, but it simply says that the live video is already ended. And when the live video has basically ended, let me just go ahead and refresh it like this. When the live video has ended, what happens is that Instagram will give you a list of people and of the other people where you can view the live videos of other random people. So now you can see all button here, and then you should be able to see live now, and now you can just go ahead and try to find all the live videos on Instagram. This way you can find random live videos on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.